Welcome back. The show's called Brand Equity and I'm Sonali Krishna. Let's take it to the big cricket tamasha that's all set to take off in a few days. By the looks of it, the Indian Premier League might just lose its premier edge. The property that has always managed to charge a premium rate is now struggling to get sponsors on board because of the dip in ratings it witnessed last year. Was the fourth edition just a hiccup for brand IPL, and what's the rating forecast for IPL 5? Tara Kapoor with all those answers.
5.39, 4.66, 5.51 and 3.91. So far, IPL has been riding high on Lady Luck. But what's on the cards for the 5th edition of this money-induced glitzy tournament?
Yeah, IPL hai boss.
After a phenomenal opening in its first year, brand IPL has definitely taken a beating. If last year the tournament bore the brunt of cricket fatigue as it came on straight after India won the World Cup, this year IPL begins after many embarrassing defeats for Team India in England, Australia and most recently the Asia Cup. And it looks like the impact of this negative sentiment will hit IPL hard.
IPL rating has already got impacted last year. Post World Cup there was fatigue and the more number of games and so there was around a 15 to 20% drop last year itself. Now this year we are expecting it to actually more chances of getting a lower rating than higher, because if you look at India's performance outside India or India's performance against big teams are actually waning.
As a result, it's no surprise that sponsors like Godrej and LG have decided to give IPL a miss this time around. With Setmax refusing to budge from its asking rate of 5 lakhs for 10 seconds, sponsors have also decided to steer away.
We're absolutely confident that the ratings are going to go up. So the moment the first week ratings come out, we'll ramp up the rates as we've done in the past. This year, because like I said, we've held on to our rates, probably we'll go with a lower sellout, probably go with a 65-70% sellout. And we expect that 10-15% gap which we had, in this gap, we'll be able to build up once the ratings come out.
The brands that are on board, such as Idea, Vodafone and Pepsi, have high expectations for IPL 5 and expect ratings to be significantly higher than last year. And only then will they have gotten the bang for their buck.
We are going to be on-air sponsors this year as opposed to we had taken spot buys last year. So there is that much more investment which we are putting into the IPL tournament this year. Whether the premium is justified or not will be borne out by the fact that if IPL performs better than what it did last year, then the premium can be probably justified. But if it does not, then we will have to rethink the kind of premium that we are paying for that.
But even maintaining last year's rating will be a challenge, and media planners aren't optimistic. The popular belief among the industry is that ratings this time will be even lower than the last season. In fact, Setmax is under a lot of pressure from the tournament to deliver a 4 to 4.5 rating, given the fact that they've maintained season 4's rates.
There is likely to be a drop in ratings. I think that's what everyone is expecting, but I don't anticipate it to be more than a 10 or 20% drop in ratings, given that it's got a prime time slot. I'm not too sure those ratings are going to drop to 1.5. I mean, I'm sure it is going to be at a sustained level.
So we are expecting around 3.5 rating to be safe enough. 3.5, 4 is actually considerably lower than what previous years have performed. So obviously, if it has to do with the economics of rates and ratings, it's definitely lower than benchmark. This is the costliest program in the country. It's probably one of what we can call as a Super Bowl of our country. It should deliver 4.5, 5 rating, and it should be the highest rated program in the country. If today's serials are doing around 4, 4.5, the top ones, and if this is slightly below that, yes, there will be pressure on rates.
Last year, ratings was the lowest in IPL's 4 years of existence, and if TRPs this year slides any further, the tournament will lose its ability of commanding a premium. For Brand IPL to survive beyond its decade-long tenure, the four major players, namely BCCI, Setmax, the sponsors and franchisees, will need to do a serious rethink and possibly design a roadmap for the next 5 years, instead of living on the edge from season to season.